Right, just thought we'd do a video on the latest project that's turned up. It's a Mk2 Escort 1.3L, I think. 5-door, I think. I meant to look it up again. I think it's Godova beige. But I've got some old Ford chips to have a look. But yeah, I love the colour. It's a South African import. So it's largely rust-free, but of course there is welding that needs doing. It's an Escort. That's why he's entrusted us to do the repairs. The car's had a repaint in its life, and by no means is it perfect. It kind of gives the car a little bit of character. But the brief at the moment is to do the welding repairs required to the floor and the bulkhead. The customer's already taken the sound deadening pads off and he's bare metaled it, to a certain stage. So we're going to do the repairs, the final prep, the detail work, and then that's going to be painted. I think he wants the dash panel painted black. There's some surface rust underneath there. Oh, and we're going to have to black where the seats are. So we'll black them as well as per original. But yeah, largely the repairs are sort of the corner of the floor, the sort of like the lower bulkhead. I've only just started to clean it up in here. The floor's bent on both sides, it's been pushed up with a trolley jack. Same the other side. Just noticed the customer didn't point out there's a bit that's quite rusty there on the inner sill. It's in for the, let's go over to the engine bay. It's in for the classic heater bowl, repair. So we've got a repair panel for that lip under there. We need to take the bowl off and inspect inside the bowl for rust and do that repair. There's holes that need MIG welding up because we're going to paint the engine bay. Yeah, we're going to remove this stone guard, and we don't want any reactions later down the line, so we're going to wash as much of it off with thinners and scotch. And then we've not quite decided how we're going to remove it in the thicker areas. There's a few options, but we'll probably cover that more in another video. The battery tray's been removed. I say been removed, it was kind of hanging on for dear life. It wasn't attached at the top, so just at the bottom. We've got to remove the rest of it and there will be a repair in there. He's having the larger rad fitted because he's going to have a Pinto put in there, so we're going to do the modification where we remove some of the metal and put in two upper and lower panels to make it wider there. I mean, it's a remarkably rust-free car for one of these. The strut tops are amazing. I mean, that's literally like an Escort dream. All original and no signs of rust blowing through. I think this on its original wings. The customer's actually said he doesn't think the car's ever been welded up until this point. And he has talked about maybe at the end we'll polish it and touch in some of the marks around it. He then wants to get it back, get it roadworthy, get out and enjoy it, use it, and then he might have it repainted at a later date. But I like the idea he's going with it. Fresh paint on the inside and under the bonnet. And I need to show them this interesting. The rear tubs have been made out of fiberglass matting. Can you see it now? I've got none. Let's get the that better? And under here you can actually still see the piece of cardboard. It's brilliant. And I've had a poke around. It's the strongest piece of cardboard I've ever come across. Goes to show that it must be relatively...
It's original equipment, that.
It does say that on there. We'll have to get the rest of the box out and investigate what that packaged once upon a time. Maybe Ford parts, but I doubt it. Yeah, this side's gone through mainly on the inner and the tub at the end. On that side, it looks really funky on the quarter panel. It's, yeah, all the shape's wrong. Yeah, from here back it's just filler. Look. No cardboard at this stage. Definitely fiberglass. Oh, it feels very soft. But yeah, we're going to have to investigate this. And if you look through here, there's loads of pinholes. So there's obviously quite a bit of filler in there. I've got a feeling this side's going to grow to something a little bit more substantial. I've had a quick look. I think the wheel arches are original. But there is signs of it starting, but the customer wants us to leave it at the moment. But they do look original, which is very impressive. The seals are all solid from when I see it on the recovery truck. Yeah, there's a load of other detail-y bits he wants us to do. There's some threads that need recutting. Like I said, he wants the dash painted inside and out. Sort of fairly long list of jobs to get through. So, yeah, looking forward to getting on with it now. Right, we're on the rear quarter, well, the driver's side rear quarter of the Mk2 Escort. Working on a bit of a problem area of these cars, where the rear quarter joins the rear tub seam. They rust out. Obviously, we can see that's fiberglass. Also, you can see those are pinholes where it's all been filled. But I've just masked it up here for now, because we're not getting involved in painting too high up on the car. Just going to put a clean and strip wheel on there to take the top edge of that coating off. But if you look around the back, you can see that's all fiberglass. But yeah, just want to make an initial assessment of it really. So. Right, use the strip and clean wheel on that edge. I was hoping to find good metal, but all I found is, yeah, solid fiberglass. I'm just going to cut this section out now, and give us a better idea of what we're up against. And then I'm going to talk to the customer before tearing into his paint on his quarter panel. It is inevitable, but I'm going to update him and then go from there. Fiberglass is so strong in that corner. Fiberglass goes all the way up the inside of there. All that's fiberglass. That might as well all come out of there now, you can see. Look. Still not found any metal yet. I think there should be a yeah, look, there's the remains of the metal. Okay, just going into the inside now. Now we've cut it back. There's the Alright, we're starting to get to some factory metal. Problem is, they've laid the fiberglass so thick on the inside. That's what we want. Yeah, it's left a hole in his outer quarter panel there. Right. Metal. This bit is just horrid. They've just... Okay. At least we're back to... Well, there's the outer cord that's just come off. So, yeah, we are committed to going halfway up the lower section. No.